Hey everyone, welcome to new releases for today. Today we have the neutral line and lace kit in the shop. Let me get closer so you can see the details. This one is available with gold foil. So these are the full boxes here. And then we have all of the icons and script stickers. And these are standard in the essential or the deluxe version. And then we also have the functional stickers with the gold foil. And you can see the half and quarter boxes with the foil detail on here. Then we have the checklist boxes, the functional deco sheet, which also has foil like accents on it as well. And lastly, we have the washi sheet for the deluxe kit. So this is the 6-page deluxe kit. The first 4 pages are the essential kit, and these 2 are what makes it the deluxe kit. We can also grab these a la carte, just make sure you check that listing for it. But that is the neutral line and lace kit. Now the second release in the shop was actually a few days ago. We have printables in the shop. So this is the new printable format. So I want to go through these. This one is the Bloomin' Books kit. You can get the freebie code for this one specifically if you were on the email list. So make sure you check your emails to grab this kit for free. And also make sure you're signed up for those emails if you haven't already. Another way you can get a freebie kit, by the way, is checking the Facebook group. And lastly, there is a new freebie download section in the shop that should get updated at least once a month. So make sure you check that for your freebies as well. The file for the silhouettes should also be on there for free, so you guys can also cut these out, which is what I did. So these are all trimmed down and ready to use. If you don't have a silhouette, like for example, these come on like 2 pages, you can easily just cut down the columns in there. I think I have like the old printable videos for that, and a new video for the new printables should go up soon if it hasn't gone up already, so just check the videos. But anyway, let me show you guys what the new format is. The only thing that I really wanted to change was that I wanted these sticker kits to be on the go, because I don't really want to carry it in a 1/2x11 sheet of paper with me if I am traveling. So that is why I made them this way, so you could just trim these out into 4x7 piece of paper, so that way you can just take them to go and everything. So here are the full boxes, as you guys can see, and then we have the half boxes and quarter boxes, checklist flags, sidebar stickers, and your date headers. And then we have the washi sheet. So you have a weekend banner with some flag stickers, some washi strips, and then your bigger washi strips as well. The matching checklist boxes, the scripts, and the icon stickers. So the scripts might be a little bit more tricky to cut by hand, but I did try to make them so you can still cut these out into like squares. Then we have the headers and all of these like functional extras. That's what I'm calling them. You have like your meeting stickers, appointments, and then all of these like top 3 type of things here. Lastly, we have the like deco sheet. I'm calling this like the deco layer sheet, because you can easily use these to layer or decorate your planner with if you need to fill up some space. So yeah, we have a whole bunch of boxes and deco stickers that you guys can use. So yeah, that's the new format for the sticker kit printables. I will link them all down in the description down below. But those are the new releases for the week. Make sure you check the description to purchase yours, and that is it. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye everyone.